In this video, I will be showing you how to fix issues with Roblox update. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is simply go to your Roblox account. You have to open your Roblox account in a web browser, not on the Roblox application. Now, all you have to do is select any of the games here. For example, this one. Tap this green button here and you need to download and install Roblox. It will be updated automatically. It will update the game once you download and install. Now, if after doing this, you still encounter problems, logs, and other things, all you have to do is to simply uninstall this Roblox player first. So to do that, you have to go to your settings, or you can simply go to this search icon here, this magnifying glass down below. You just have to tap this one and look for apps and features. You can also go to your control panel if you want, but I want to do it right away, so I have to search for apps and features. And then all you have to do is to look for that apps and features. Okay, this one, open this. And you just have to scroll down and look for Roblox player, or you can search it up here, Roblox, if you want. Okay, so once you found it, all you have to do is to simply click this three dots and click uninstall. Click uninstall again and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing, as it is uninstalling your Roblox application or game. Okay, so you have to wait for a couple of seconds. Now, once done, it will appear here that your Roblox has been uninstalled. So you have to go back to your Roblox again, select a game, and then click download and install Roblox. Okay, you can see it right here. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this one, locate the folder. You can open it when it's done. Okay, and there, Roblox is successfully installed. And that's how you fix issues with Roblox update. So I do really hope this video helped you. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.